Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. How are you doing? Happy summer. Okay guys, today I want to show you how I make quinoa. I hope I'm calling it right. Quinoa is a very nice Mediterranean recipe. I like to make it once in a while, so let me show you the way I put it together. Okay, right here, this is the quinoa. The first thing you do is you wash it, you run it, in a cold water. That's what I did to wash out the excess oil in it, to give it a very, smooth taste that it got. So this is the main ingredient, quinoa. And here I have black beans. I'm using the one from the can. I have frozen sweet corn. Here I have onions. I'm using both the sweet white onions and the purple onions. I have green onions, and I have my garlic, which I have minced. Right here I have one tomato that I have already cut and sliced the way I want it. Over here I have sea salt. I have cayenne pepper. Over here I have cumin powder, and I have black pepper. Over here is the vegetable broth. I already measured it out. And of course, the olive oil. You could use grapeseed oil if you want. And this is the cumin, of course, and everything that I measured out here. And this is going to be the final garnish. This is parsley, fresh parsley or cilantro if that's what you have. It's very good for this recipe. So let's go over to the oven. Okay, to your skillet or pot, you add your oil. I'm going to add like a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to put my heat high, and when it's warm up a little bit, I go ahead and throw in the onion. Okay, I go ahead and add the onion and the garlic and the green onion. I want them all to cook the same time, and for that extra flavor of the garlic, I'm frying them together. So I'm just going to allow this to fry for 2 minutes. Alright, the onions have kind of caramelized now, so I'm going to go ahead and add the quinoa. So I'm going to give it a quick stir. Just fry it for like only a minute. So guys, this is actually 2 cups of quinoa. Normally, if you're cooking like 2 cups, you double up on the size of the liquid, either water or beef stock or vegetable, vegetable broth, whatever you're using. As I'm using vegetable broth, this here is measured 2 cups. So it's not gonna be enough because this is 2 cups of quinoa. So basically I'm gonna be using 3 cups for it, because normally quinoa doubles in size. So I'm gonna add 1 more cup. So this is the other cup. So for these 2 cups of quinoa, I'm using 3 cups of vegetable broth. So right now I'm going to allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Alright guys, now that it's boiling, that's in between the 20 minutes cooking. I wanted it to boil for us to go ahead and put all our spices, which is the salt, the black pepper, the cayenne pepper, and the cumin powder. Go ahead, add it, give it a stir. Also at this time I'm going to be adding the diced tomato also. Guys, it's smelling so nice already. Give it a stir and cover and let it continue to cook. Remember, we're cooking this for 20 minutes. Alright, you can see 20 minutes is done. You see that? So I'm just going to use the fork to make it fluffy. Okay. So now, let me take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and add the black beans and the frozen corn. Mix them together and let it simmer for like 5 minutes on very, very low, guys, very low. Alright guys, finally we go in and throw in the parsley. If you do not have parsley, use cilantro. They're both good. You just need the flavor. And that's it. It's done. Alright guys, I dished this out. I have a guest, which is one of my kids, my second son actually. He's gonna do the testing because he specifically requested for this for lunch today. So let's go.
Hi guys.
It's super hot. You like it? Look at your mouth.
I like it.
So how does it taste?
It tastes like tortilla.
Okay.
Please subscribe to my mom's channel and cook this recipe.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, you heard it. It tastes like tortilla according to him. Anyway, it's an awesome recipe. You know, it's very good. It's full of fiber. Okay, go give this a try. You're gonna like it. Like I said, use all the recipe, all the spices we use. You know, you could add a little more, take away some. It's your choice. Thank you for joining me today. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ogonwadi. Thank you so much for joining me. Please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Do not forget to like, leave your comment, share this video, and see you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.